Hello guys, and welcome to Soccer Academy the Intellect on YouTube. In this channel, we are out here the level science students to attain the academic excellence and the academic goals by providing them with the correct and time-saving approach to all GC questions as proposed by the GC board. In this video, we are looking at the advanced level Southwest Mock-2024 paper 2. And if you doubt what SAWEMTA means, SAWEMTA simply means Southwest Math Teacher Association. So if you are new in this channel, I would invite you to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell to not miss any of our videos subsequently uploaded. So the video reads, given that the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two positive numbers x and y are 10 and 8 respectively, where x is greater than y, determine the value of x and y. Okay, they said arithmetic mean and geometric mean. So first of all, the arithmetic mean is what? First of all, the solution here is the arithmetic mean is x plus y over 2 is equal to 10, and which implies that x plus y is equal to 20 when we cross multiply by 2. Now also form what? The geometric mean to form two equations to find x and y. So the geometric mean is the square root of xy, which is equal to 8, which implies that when we square both sides we have xy is equal to 64. I will call this one equation 2. So we have two simultaneous equations with two unknowns. Our aim is to find the value of x and y. So it means that we are solving it simultaneously. So from equation 1, y is equal to 20 minus x, and I call this one equation 3. Then I substituting equation 3 in equation 2. It means that in the place of y, I replace it with 20 minus x. Okay, so it means I will have x into 20 minus x is equal to 64, which implies that when I open the bracket, 20x minus x squared is equal to 64. Now I send 20x minus x squared the other side of the equation for me to get 20x minus x squared minus 20x plus 64 is equal to 0. So now that's a quadratic equation. So I look for two numbers of x, or I look for two numbers of 64 or factors of 64 that when I add them together it will give me negative 20, and when I multiply them together it will give me 64. And those two factors, if you don't know them, you can write them on your paper. All the factors of 64, that is the positive and the negative factor. So the best factors here, or the only factors to use here, the only two numbers to use is negative 4 and negative 16. Realize that negative 4 minus 16 is negative 20, and negative 4 minus 16 is, that is times minus 16 is positive 64. So it means that my two factors are negative 4 and negative 16. So I have x squared minus 4x minus 16 plus 64 equals to 0. So now I factor out the x. Look at this first two expression here. I factor out x is common, so I'll have x into x minus 4. I repeat back the x minus 4 and I write the other factor, which is minus 16. Then it's equals to 0. So you see that what? X minus 4 and x minus 4 are common. So x minus 4 and x minus 4 are common. It simply means that I'm going to have x minus 4 into x minus 16. Okay, from there I'm going to have that x is equals to 4 and x is equals to 16 when I equate both of them to 0. Now we are asked to find the value of x and y, so it means that replacing the values of x in equation 3. Okay, for replacing the value of x for equation 3, for x equals to 4, that is the first value of x. For x equals to 4, y is equals to, you replace x in equation 3, so we have 20 minus 4, which is 16. Good. Now for x equals to 16 in this case, we have that y is equal to 20 minus 16, which is equals to 4. But now in our question, they give us the condition that y is greater than, that x is greater than y. So it means that the best value corresponding to our question here particularly is what? X equals to 16 and y equals to 4. You see that 16 is greater than 4. So guys, we have come to the end of this video, and if the video was interesting to you, I'll invite you to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to not miss any of our videos uploaded. And you can always demand for your videos, or you can always tell us the video that you want us to produce on math and physics in the comment section. I will do our best to produce that video. And also, if the video is more interesting, I'll invite you to share with your friends in the advanced level for them to also be able to attain academic excellence. And don't forget that in science, consistency is the key.